and that they can win at all cost. The numbers in the winning. Sani mo amuye. Anti omo amudi to opim o mapempem no mo ne abusuafo. Mr. Amwa. Nan kan vote come de ho. That is how a party loses power. Sanity. Enti ade amuye. Ni asumbone asutro no ne. I mean, na enne Ghana hayete. Miswa ni NPP dan kwabuze tradition lawyer for enne court order tumbani akase masa go you court order. This party such lawlessness. And secretary na make us onu anu omutena dem ekuki kesu temlante ne no any day say omo betena say ene onu pese o afem o chetumi won hwan so because enu nya na hia e say yenye top ye we me down up because ye pese ye na enei on elections no mo ye no the ekofa issues ni nyina aba do na I can make mention of Obuasi West. Obuasi West agenda say be to KK free so because KK ko support Kennedy enu ni ade ni nyina e koso basanka Kennedy also your party basa na mo ka no na enye otan se na mesamo wane chairman Kenya so obi ko support obi a why do we have to ban on ensuring that the person is ousted the internet say yes ade no by a party amoye and him say chinchina say as obi adwen remote control bi and here you vote for us you vote asante region there fufuo kotokoni NPP me nyintum say fufuo dem jitum kotoko me jitum ben NPP me jitum. You can't tell me say me asante ni there into their muye say top down up agenda ken that's him could be a lawyer ade a waye ni afide wo so wo letter abe punish hwan I establish authority ben I stamp authority ben you've lost it long ago. That is how come the chairman could mention your name and speak anyhow. This cannot happen in any well-meaning political party in this country. Enso PPP, Enso UP, Enso NDC, da NC. Untiana chairman general.
Susu, yeah you.
Untiana NDC.
Na bibia timi si.
Oh, minia. Me makajo say enje obi asika o. Obi entu e ka. Nti ye de me de obi ama misika. Obi a so o hia ma misika on frɛ no nka. Untiana general say nketia. The comment will make here.
I know about, from microphone.
The comment will make here about certain ministers be anyan forward on or can say the other guy. You saw how the party managed it. Unfortunate, but your chairman akasa. Na no apa there be to me one ho. And now is an NPP who an MP, a colleague MP can threaten another MP. A colleague MP, I mean, in our parliament, the same caucus. No power because agenda, more be a flag bearer and MPs need more power over other MPs. This is the party we're talking about. Masa, as a man said, okay. As a man, I can. Saying a colleague MPs in our parliament, agenda, acquire top down up. CCH in Chim Stia Bassa, Yan your mat twisted, that's in Korea to walk, Chachi and Krata, Church on your ma, Yan Bassa. Abetina say what your letter bana na we secretary chairman chairman buti there no ho yema reho because me hunu so wo papa so be adwuma no but just nko bi agu adwuma na wi ono omo na aya de ni nyina omo ne na tena de ma ya agenda twist mra na ntia ne no yema ye ne na twist ye twisting group ye twist mra no chia no yema o mehye mra ma obiawa ti me de the NPP should learn their lessons because me show ka teacher free for the way I no kon ye ditu oh jale enti about one ade eni asumbo no ne ade ani pa bu ko toje wo gata mi say pacho no ade na ade
that's it my enko enim na enka fufu party no wasem chairman fufu party no be bas why next month
ya ni fufu ya ade
next month